Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video of a stretch gardenia model here in the village of Bonnybrook. It's located at 2120 Callaway Drive. It is a block and stucco home. Let's go in and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. As we walk up to this home, it is a block and stucco home. You will notice that the driveway is concrete, but it does have a pattern to it. It is very beautiful. It does have a two-car garage. This is an extended gardenia model. This is a designer home. It has mature landscaping. This home is in a desirable location. It is very close to shopping on Highway 466. It has a very large patio area in the front of the home. As you can see, this home looks in very good condition. Very attractive entrance area. Let's go in and take a look at this home. Here I am in the foyer area, and I do notice it does have ceramic tile floors in the foyer. Looking out into the living area, you do see a lanai. That is a temperature control lanai. Off to the right, you will see the kitchen area with beautiful wood cabinetry, and the ceramic tile continues throughout. This home has very high ceilings. Off to the left, you will see a sliding pocket door and a resident guest quarters. You can close that pocket door and have your guests have privacy. You will see a guest bedroom with another sliding pocket door. Let's go in and take a look. You'll see laminate flooring in this bedroom. Very neutrally decorated. It does have the acoustic textured ceiling and plantation shutters. Very popular here in the villages that homes have plantation shutters. It does have bifold doors for the closet. And just to give you perspective, this room, that does look like a queen size bed, and it does have adequate room on either side of the bed. Let's take a look at another guest bedroom. You can see that the hallway does have tile floors continuing. Here is another guest bedroom with laminate floors. A lot of nice cabinetry in this room. Very high ceilings. The acoustic texture continues on these very high ceilings, as well as the plantation shutters. Here would be considered the guest bathroom. It does have the laminate floors continuing in here. It does have a solid surface countertop. Very neutrally decorated. Very attractive home. It does have a tub. Let's take a look what's inside. It does have a ceramic tile shower surround as well, and a window that lets in a lot of natural light. It does have a recessed light above the tub and shower area. Very nice, very attractive home. This home is listed at $514,000. Please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home, Karen Kamperman, and I will provide you the information in the description of this video. Off to the right, you will see a kitchen and dining area, very high ceilings with the acoustic texture. You will see the ceramic tile floors continuing. You'll see the beautiful cabinetry in this kitchen with crown molding. It does have a solid surface countertop. The stove is electric stove. Panning around the kitchen area, you'll see the solid surface countertop. It does have beautiful cabinetry. It does have a single bowl, very large sink. Stainless appliances. You're looking off into the dining and living room area, as well as the lanai area. Very large sliding glass doors in the lanai. That is a temperature controlled lanai. Very nice. I will go into the lanai and describe that in a minute. Off into the corner of the dining area, looking off into the kitchen area. This is the dining area. That is the living room area. Very spacious. This does have a solar tube in the ceiling, right here in the hallway area. Very nice, very spacious, very large lanai that is temperature controlled. It does have an outdoor kitchen, or at least a kitchen in the lanai. Looks like it has a barbecue grill with a vent hood. It does have knockdown texture on the ceilings. Lots of windows in this lanai. This lanai also has a sink looking off. This is an extended gardenia model home. This is a designer home. It is a block and stucco home. Those sliding glass doors will lead into the master bedroom. I will take you in there a little bit later. That door will lead out to an outdoor patio area. Let's take a walk out there and take a look at what the outdoor patio looks like. This outdoor patio does have tiled floors, and it is screened in, and it does have a sunshade on the roof, so that will allow the sunlight to be blocked by the shade. This is the backyard area. This lanai will be facing south. That's facing south. Okay, let's go back in and take a look at the master bedroom area on this home. Very large and spacious home. Very nicely decorated as well. The spec sheet on this home shows the square footage on this home is 2,125 square feet. It has a total area of 3,013 square feet. Very comfortable home. Here's a panoramic view. There are large mirrors on the dining room wall over there. Behind the dining room table, those are very large mirrors. They go all the way up to the ceiling. Let's take a walk into the master bedroom area. This home does have a split bedroom design where the master bedroom is on the opposite side of the home as the two guest bedrooms. Entering the master bedroom, you will see a wood laminate floor. Very spacious bedroom, very large, really tall ceilings. They do have the acoustic texture on the ceiling. To give you perspective, that is a king-size bed with a lot of room on each side of that bed. I will include the specification sheet on this home. Please refer to the specification sheet for the dimensions of the rooms. This is standing in the other corner of the master bedroom. Very nice home. Let's take a walk into the master bedroom area. And you do have two closets, one on each side, two walk-in closets. Here is one closet. The wood laminate floors continue in that closet as well. Here is the second closet. This closet has a sliding pocket door. Both of these closets have sliding pocket doors. Lots of shelving in this closet. Very high ceilings. Very nice. This is the master bathroom. It does have ceramic tile in the master bathroom. It does have a separate commode room with a swinging door in the commode room. It does have plantation shutters. This is the master bathroom, the commode room in the master bathroom. The commode room also has a shower with a glass door. Let's take a look at what the shower looks like. The shower is tiled. That's the floor of the shower. Very nice white ceramic tile. It does have recessed lighting in that shower with a glass door. Let's take a look. It does have a seat in the shower as well. Very nice, very high ceilings. The tile floors continue throughout this bathroom area. This is the bathroom area. It does have a little spot you can sit to powder your face. It has two sinks, one sink there and another sink right there. Nice wood cabinetry. Very bright room. It has a window, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. Very, very nice house, very large house, feels very spacious. Give you a panoramic view of the master bedroom again. Okay, I'll start walking into the hallway. I will take a look at the laundry area. The laundry is indoor. This laundry area does have the ceramic tile floors. Continuing, it is an inside laundry. It does have a sink in the laundry. That is the garage door. It is a two-car garage. Let's take a look at what the two-car garage looks like. Two-car garage. This is a block and stucco home. Very nice cabinets here in the laundry area. Neutral white cabinets. As I exit the home, I will video the outside of the home. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. I know a lot of you subscribers want to see the direction that the home is in, and I will show you that in a minute. This is the foyer area. I will exit the home. Beautiful entry door, two glass windows in the entry door. Exiting the home. The front of the home would be facing north. Give you an idea. Very mature landscaping. This is in the village of Bonnybrook. Very desirable location. Between a 5 and 10 minute golf cart ride to shopping, grocery shopping, maybe 10 or 12 minutes to Walmart. Here is the front of the home. This is the street. This is Callaway Drive. Callaway Drive. That is facing west. And that would be facing east. And this is the home. An extended gardenia model here in the village of Bonnybrook. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. The specification sheet. Please contact Karen Kamperman at the contact information below. This home is at 2120 Callaway Drive in the village of Bonnybrook. It is list priced at $514,000. Here are the particulars. As always, contact the listing agent if you have more questions on this home. There are the room sizes and specifications. Watching this video and subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this extended gardenia model home. It's a block and stucco home located here in the village of Bonnybrook. Take care, everybody. Have a safe weekend.